Disturbing news coming in from the Tirupati temple stampede. Glaring lapses are emerging. Remember, this is one of the most famous, most visited temple, not just from across India, but across the world as well. People and devotees come to pay a visit. And this was right before the darshan that was about to happen. There was a token distribution happening. According to our sources, despite knowing that every day there are thousands, sometimes lakhs of devotees who come, there was no ambulance at the stampede spot. Not even one ambulance, according to our sources, at the spot where the stampede took place. We are told, according to our information on the ground, 4,000 people had come when the token distribution was happening, which is basically, remember, this is the Vaikuntha Dwar darshan that happens. And that is when there is clearly a certain rush, a certain hurry. People want that token. They have travelled far and wide to reach. The ambulance took, after the stampede, at least 20 minutes to reach. How can there not be even one ambulance or medical protocol? Because as per protocol guidelines, in any of these areas, when you expect such a crowd, these are at least basic minimum. An ambulance at least must be on a standby every time. 6 devotees at least have lost their life in the stampede, over 40 injured. Just take a look at the kind of crowd that was there. And remember, the devotees are expected. It's not a surprise. Even though, yes, this was a Vaikuntha Ekadashi celebrations and it's only for 2 days. But because it's expected, why couldn't the government prepare something already? We are told, however, it used to be a longer 10-day celebration. But that also has changed this time. But we'll try and understand what happened right there on the ground. If there were so many people, 4,000, and the token distribution was happening, was protocol not followed? Was there a glaring lapse? Was it taken for granted that nothing will happen? Because every time that happens, we see a result of this. Pramod Vadhav is joining me for the latest on that. Pramod, you tell me, what are you picking up? Not even one ambulance at such a site.
Pooja, it's a very unfortunate incident that has occurred, and we did visit the place. It is just an open park next to which you have the counter and the actual hospitals that are like nearly just 2 or 3 kilometers away. But this is a very, very congested spot. In fact, we are at one location which is called as the Swims Hospital, and here the Chief Minister is expected to arrive at the spot by 12 p.m. and the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan by 3 p.m. and all arrangements have been made. And also, we entered the spot. We also spoke to the patients over there. They were very much distressed with what had occurred earlier, because they claim that yesterday morning they came over here. In fact, you also have the collector over there who has come, he also spoke to us earlier. He accepted that there was a lapse, and what the patients, when we spoke to the patients, they say that earlier they were here, and at that point when they came over to the spot early morning, they were asked to stay inside the kind of a park, but then it happened. Let me just ask him. Sir, there seems to be an allegation that there was no ambulance available at that spot.
No, it was available. It was, yes.
So, collector says that there were ambulances available, but the patient, the devotees who were here, they claim that a lot of issues occurred, and unfortunately they were placed inside the park and they were not allowed to leave. And suddenly one of the women was feeling unwell. Because of that, particular a set of people were left out, but the other people started thinking that the tickets were being handed over. Imagine 4,000 people congested inside one particular park, and suddenly they've been left out. That led to the stampede. 5 people have died related to the stampede and 1 person unrelated to the stampede, as per the collector, Venkatesh, and those people are here. 19 patients are at this hospital presently, where the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are going to arrive, and they're going to meet them as well. The Vice Chancellor of the hospital claims that everybody is fine so far. Some had sternum injury, some had skin injury. Everybody are being treated, but unfortunately 5 people have died, and glaring questions about the lapse are emerging, Pooja.
This is one of the most visited temples. It's one of the most prominent with regard to Hindu scriptures for the Hindu communities across the country, and I have to say across the world, devotees come. This was an expected crowd, but good on you, Pramod, to have immediately got an official reaction as well. Speaking to India Today, as Pramod told us that the collector says there was an ambulance. Of course, that's questionable, because right now our details also coming in that medical protocol wasn't being followed as it should have been. Pramod, tell me this. About 4,000 people, devotees. So this was, I think, also because of the Ekadashi that so many people had come. What does it mean if you can tell us about the area and how 4,000 people can turn into a crowd, into a stampede, if certain measures are not followed with regard to the crowd control?
Certainly, Pooja, this Tirupati place itself is entirely considered to be a divine soil, and that's the reason millions of people visit this temple every year. But the very important aspect is that crowd management is something that has to be focused upon, and you cannot have any kind of lapse over it. One small mismanagement led to the death of 5 people. Imagine, and this is only through one park. There were multiple counters, and for each and every darshan you have separate counters. But this counter they could not go over, because even if you get a ticket for today, you can only visit the temple tomorrow. You can't even enter the hill, Tirupati hill, because of the crowd over there, and that's the kind of management that is done over there. But what happened is that, just like you mentioned, Vaikunta Ekadashi or Vaikunta Dwarak Darshanam is something that is being celebrated for 9 days, where the devotees can see the God Vishnu through a gate called as Surgavasa, which means the gate to heaven, and this is extremely auspicious. There are a lot of devotion and myths related to it. People believe that during this phase, even there is a kind of a stern belief that even if you pass, if you die between these days, you will directly go to heaven. So those kind of imagining, thoughts are also there. Those kind of beliefs are there. So that's the reason thousands of people approach. In fact, the collector also told us that within this span, 1.2 lakh tickets have already been sold, and they have to be, that crowd also has to be managed. However, the collector assured to us that the situation is under control and everything has been taken care of, and the crowd management is under process. We did go to the ticket counter today morning as well, and we did see that people getting tickets as well. But this one unfortunate lapse, this has to be definitely investigated. Where did the mistake happen is something we need to find out.
There's absolutely no reason, no excuse that 6 people should have lost their life, and especially after what we have seen. For example, the stampede that happened at a theatre in Hyderabad, and then one after another, when we know such crowd gathers anywhere, expectedly, why shouldn't there be measures? Pramod, I request you to please stay on.